Today, we're diving into the GYMAX folding treadmill, your go-to solution for a home gym cardio workout. With a clear LCD display showcasing real-time exercise data, 12 preset modes catering to various training goals, and a multifunctional handrail featuring speed control and heart rate monitoring, this treadmill brings versatility to your fitness routine. The 39-inch by 14-inch wide running belt, made of PVC and polyester fiber, provides a comfortable and non-slip surface. The scientific incline angle of the running deck ensures multi-position shock absorption, enhancing overall workout performance. Whether you prefer a leisurely stroll or an intense run, this treadmill offers a speed range from under 3 miles per hour to a challenging 6 mph. But it's not just about the workout. The thoughtful design includes 2 cup holders for refreshments and a convenient tablet phone holder for added entertainment during your exercise sessions. Safety is also a priority, with a built-in safety key that stops the machine instantly in emergency situations. What sets the GYMAX folding treadmill apart is its easy storage and space-saving features. With a vertical folding capability of 90 degrees, you can store it against a wall or freestand it in a corner. The compact footprint makes it ideal for small apartments, and the transportation wheels ensure hassle-free mobility. In summary, the GYMAX folding treadmill offers a perfect blend of functionality and convenience for your home gym. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned fitness enthusiast, this treadmill is a compact cardio powerhouse that delivers an efficient and enjoyable workout experience. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.